Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Life with Fatma Zahir. I'm back with another video, another one of my revamping Dubai vlogs. So enjoy. Light karahi. I saw a video on TikTok, but I did some amendments in the recipe and I thought to try it. It was yummy, so I thought to share the recipe. So I had mutton, then I took some onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. So on one side I was boiling my mutton because it doesn't cook while you make the kadai. So I was boiling my mutton, and on the other side I took two medium onions. I chopped them, I fried them till they were translucent. Then I added some cumin seeds, and then I added some ginger garlic paste. I fried it so that it the smell finishes and the aroma arises and the raw smell finishes. So I cooked that, and then I added the cooked mutton on top of it. I just mixed it so that it is well incorporated, and all of the onions, they have coated the mutton pieces. And for the gravy I added some yogurt, and for the spices there were only coriander powder and black pepper powder, that was crushed black pepper powder, and salt. That is the only thing that I added for all of this kadai, and it was so yummy. It is so simple recipe. You should also try it. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to comment. And do suggest me, what do you want to see. You want to see more vlogs, or you want to see more reviews, or you want to see more recipes. So this, I put the lid on and I left it to cook, and then in the end I garnished it with some chopped green chilies. So it was so yummy and a very new recipe for me. I've never made it. So thanks for watching, and take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz from my side.